Hello everyone and welcome back here to my garden. Well, as you can see, it looks a lot different from the last time we were here, back in the summer. But seeing as though we're back in lockdown again and we can't go to school and see each other, I thought maybe it was time I did a few more of my wildlife videos. Well, actually, I'm out here in the garden today to do a particular job, and that is to fill up my bird feeders. So over here I've already filled up my peanut feeders, and I need to go and put the rest of the food out down at the bottom of the garden. Right, so I think the first thing I'm going to do is fill up my fat ball feeder in there. So as you can see, these are none of the health food that we're used to for birds. All that fat wouldn't be very healthy for us, but it's exactly what birds need at this time of year in particular when it's cold, because they need to eat lots and lots of fat and get lots of energy so they can keep warm during these cold nights. So also I've put some couple of apples down there as well, and on here on my bird table I'm going to put some of this robin food on here. Again, lots of good energy in that. And maybe put a few of these little treats as well. Right, get that filled up. Right, got one more to do now. Right, need to do these. Oh, it looks okay on fat balls there, but I think I need to fill up my seed feeder here. So just going to pour this in here, fill that up nicely. Should keep them going a while, I think. Take the whole lot. There we go. Now, this feeder here, if you have something like this in your garden, really important. Well, last week I actually took this inside, took it all apart and gave it a really good clean. It's really important if you have feeders in your garden that you make sure that you do keep them nice and clean, because sadly dirty feeders can actually spread diseases between birds, and some birds are actually doing quite badly because of diseases that are spreading at dirty bird feeders. Things like greenfinches in particular. But mine are nice and clean now, so that should keep them going for quite a while. And then the last thing I think we just need to check is water. Well, I'm lucky enough, as you know, to have a pond in my garden. So there's plenty of water for the birds to come and drink, because it's really important, again, even at this time of year when it's freezing cold, birds need to not only drink, but they really like to come and have a bath, because they have to keep their feathers really clean, again, to keep them warm during the cold winter nights. But actually, unlike the last few days, this pond is not iced up. Over the last few days, while we've had all that ice, cold weather, I've been having to pour hot water in there to break the ice up so the birds could get to it, but no problem today. So all we need to do now is to go inside and see what comes. Right, well, I'm inside in the warm now, it's much nicer. So let's just check I've got everything I need. Binoculars, I've got my camera in case you see anything interesting, and most important thing, brew. Oh, first bird's coming down. Got house sparrows out here. Nice male there. They're a bird that I'm lucky to get in my garden, but they used to be really, really common, but not as many as they used to be now, but nice to see them anyway. Quite a few actually out there. Oh, hold on. Oh yeah. There's a collared, in fact that's two collared doves there. That's a bird again. I don't get many of those in my garden. It's nice to see. What else we got? Hold on. There we have, there's my resident male blackbird. Now he's one we get quite a lot, and I do recognise him because whereas normally males are all black, this particular bird's got a few little white spots on him. Now, I wonder if I can get a little bit of film. Oh look, there's a dunnock. Oh, there's two. Oh, there's my robin. Well, wasn't bad that, was it? A few different things out there today. Now, maybe this is something you could do. If you've got bird feeders at home, or go and put a bit of food out, and maybe share some of the things that you see in your garden. Hopefully be a bit more exciting than what we've seen here. Right, well, for now then, see you next time.